Welcome to a new course related to assessment. This time we're talking about error correction and given feedback. We're going to mention the different techniques and the different steps that you need to consider while you are correcting any errors or giving any feedback to the students. The first thing that we need to consider is asking the students themselves how and when they'd like to get their feedback. For example, do they want to get their feedback on the spot? Do they need their feedback at the end of the class? Do they need it in front of everybody? Do they need it only from the teacher in private, online or offline? Do they need to be a part of this feedback, or they want their friends to give them feedback or not? First, we need to talk to the students to make sure that everyone is getting the feedback in the way that they feel comfortable with. And of course, giving them on-the-spot feedback might be a little bit difficult and challenging and making some problems, so we're going to avoid this in different ways.